Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to stop or block Google Chrome notification on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, while I open laptop or desktop, the notification will be open here in Windows 11, so it will disturb every time. So how to disable this option? So first and foremost, just go to Google Chrome, and this is a Google Chrome has lot of notification will come while you log in with your laptop. What you have to do here, within a second you can block everything. What you have to do here, so open your Google Chrome. On right side you will find a three dots. Just hit the button, just go to settings option. Once you go to settings option, there will be a privacy and security will be there. Just hit the button in privacy and security. Just scroll down, you will get option called site setting. Once you click the site settings option, there will be a different types of options will be given over here. Just scroll down, you will have notification. So just hit the button in notification. It will ask for the default behavior, and notification will be there. Just be on the notification. Here there will be a allowed to send a notification, so you have allowed lot of notifications. So I have removed everything, so just hit the button in the three dots and you can choose block. Once you select blocks, means automatically not allowed to send a notification. It will move from allowed to not allowed. So if you want to remove again, just click here to allow. So you can give allow or you can give block. So once you block, means automatically it will move into not allowed notification. So it is easy to have an option. So once you open, if you give this option, means automatically your notification will be blocked and you can peacefully work in your laptop or desktop. So this is a beautiful option. Use this option to block your notification so that you can work, you can concentrate on your work or studies. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.